Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, September the 17th. Today I'd like to begin a little bit of technical analysis, just for your reference. It's no big deal, it's just a little piece of information that will help you. And that is called, the study that I want to show you is called the Ichimoku cloud. Not surprisingly, it does look like a cloud, doesn't it? This yellow cloud tells you whether the market is bullish or bearish, and as long as the market stays above the Ichimoku cloud, it means we are bullish, we are in a bull market. If the market happens to fall below the Ichimoku cloud, it will turn to red, like this little piece here briefly turned into red as the market came down, but it recovered very quickly and it turned yellow again. So in your study set here, all you have to do is say edit studies and look for the Ichimoku cloud here, Ichi, and there it is. The double click there and it shows up, okay? And that is a very useful thing to have, at least to tell you, oh, we're bullish, we don't have any rush to become bearish, we don't necessarily want to enter bearish trades, and if the market comes down to the Ichimoku cloud, it might be an opportunity to buy stuff, buy shares on a stock or on the specific stock that you might be looking at. So use the Ichimoku cloud and begin to look at your stocks critically with that, and then you get used to what does it mean when the market falls below or stays above the Ichimoku cloud. It's a very useful thing to have. You will learn about these other lines in the future, but I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information. Okay, then there is the stochastics, and that is a great company to this. This is what it's called an oscillator. For every time it goes down, the market goes down, it goes to this area here, and that's a good spot for the market to bounce. Future reference, okay? Okay, so now let's do our usual. We have $59 of buying power, so we are going to add our $500 again. So here is all my entrances. So I'm going to simply click here. First, we need to add some cash, right? So right click on any of these items here and say adjust cash, and then just add plus 500, and that's your pretend dollars. Okay, if you are going to do what I'm doing, follow along with me. Something going on here. There it is, and then say okay, and now we have added $500. So this is pretend dollars, or you can have enter your $500 once a month, once a week, whatever. It's as long as you do it in a certain regularity. Okay, so now we're going to add our next share. So you see that I have one share of the SPY added every week since back in April. By doing that, I have close to $300 in profit. The market has been going down for the week, so all that means to us is we're going to buy cheaper than usual. So analyze trade is what I'm going to do, and that brings my one share here to the analyze tab, and here you can unlock this, and that tells you a more realistic price. Over here, you at the top, disregard this position. This is what is called a simulation, okay, because I haven't entered it yet. This 22 is the real position, it's a current position, real meaning our pretend account, okay, and the average price is $429. So I'm going to increase a little bit. The average price is dollar cost averaging. If the market goes down, we're going to buy cheaper. If the market goes up, we could sell if we wanted, or keep the amounts, okay? But we're not going to make any judgments all we're doing is buying SPY one share at a time. And so let's confirm and send that, and that will be $447, and it should fill very briefly. If not, oh, there it is. It usually does fill quickly as long as you do it to the market price. Let me just repeat that: analyze trade, and if I were to enter this, create duplicate order, and then here you can say limit, you can say market, and the market will be whatever the market is doing. I recommend you just say limit, because then you are putting the price. Okay, you have control over the price. After that, you have no control over anything, so you may as well control the price. That's it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.